President of the United States, Joe Biden, has opened his voice regarding the Hurricane Ian disaster that hit the Florida area, United States. Biden said the storm was the deadliest in Florida's history. This could be the deadliest hurricane in Florida's history, he said after a briefing at FEMA's Emergency Management Headquarters in Washington. As reported by AFP, Friday 9/30/2022. But he stressed the death toll may be substantial.
Like these, Americans come together. They put aside politics. They put aside division. And we come together to help each other.